Top 3 animals that can survive without oxygen. The last one will shock you. But first, like and subscribe if this kitten is cute, or this thing will be in your room tonight. Number 3. Goldfish. Low oxygen, it slows its body down and can survive way longer than most fish. Number 2. Salmon parasite. This tiny parasite doesn't need oxygen at all. It lives its entire life without breathing. Number 1. Deep sea worm. Lives deep in the ocean in places with zero oxygen and survives like nothing's wrong.